guys. So today we're gonna be playing a blindfolded game, and then let's see who can guess which one is which. All right? I think I'm gonna win. What do you think?
Me, I'm gonna win.
All right.
Yes.
So we're gonna find out. Rock, he wants to get out. He's crying right now. So he gotta wait.
I can't see. Got it? Okay.
No cheating.
I'm not cheating. I'm closing my eyes though. Okay. Where? I can't see. Ah! Wait. I think is make sure. Who's that? Wait. Who's that? I think I know. It's Rocky. Was it right?
You cheated. You look at the. Did you feel the tail? She cheated. She rubbed the butt. Rock is the only one that doesn't have any tail, so she cheated. You cheated.
No, I'm not. Rocky's jumping too much. Oi. Okay, wait. Let me see. Who's it? Who is it? Why who is it so hard? Wait. Let me see. Face. Is it? I can't really tell. Let me see. I can't tell. Okay, I'm just gonna guess, okay? I think it's Nune. It's Nune. I'm guessing it's Nune. Am I right? I'm trying to hear the breathing. Who's that? Wait. Oh my god. No. I think it's Bean. Is that Bean?
Bean, is that what you guessed?
Bean. Is that right? Who is it? Oh, I know. It's Princess Pearl. Pearl, right? Yeah. I think, yeah. Who's it? Wait. I know. It's Ruby. It's Ruby. Yeah. For sure it's Ruby. Wait. Who is it? What's up? I think it's Jelly. He's very like a good boy. It's Jelly, right? Jelly. What this breathing is like Bean. It's Bean. Oh, it's Bean. This is big boy Bean. Yeah, for sure. Beanie.
All right, you got all 7.
I got all 7. Am I all right?
Nope.
Which one is not right?
You missed.
Was it Daisy and Luna?
Bean, mama.
Was wrong? Was
You
it
missed.
Daisy and Luna wrong?
And the first time you guessed Bean is Nuna.
What? What? No, I thought it said Luna. So which one did I guess Luna?
Alright.
Big boy Dino. Big boy, come here, big boy.
So, she didn't get all of them right. Let's see if I can get them all right. Alright?
Okay.
Let's see. I think I'm going to win.
Okay, Bean, back to the room, Bean. Back to the room.